Ever wondered if you can enjoy authentic Indian flavors, get all your protein and eat healthier without a single piece of meat or dairy? Today, I'm taking you through a complete beginner's guide to plant based Indian cooking with a full day of meals that will totally change how you think about healthy eating. Welcome to Likita's Foodie Studio. We make healthy Indian recipes that actually taste amazing. Today's video is extra special. We are going 100% plant based for a whole day. I will show you how to get started, what to buy, and how to make three delicious meals that prove plant based Indian food is anything but not boring. Let's start with the basics. Plant-based Indian cooking is more than just omitting meat and dairy. It's a celebration of the rich bounty of nature. It champions the incredible variety of vegetables, legumes, grains, and aromatic spices that have been the heart of Indian cuisine for centuries. This approach focuses on natural ingredients, bringing vibrant flavors and wholesome nutrition to your table. Embrace a rich array of plant based ingredients from hearty lentils to fragrant spices, forming the foundation of traditional Indian cooking. Indian cuisines has historically relied on plant-based staples, offering a treasure of authentic and naturally healthy recipes. Building a well-stocked pantry is the first step towards mastering plant-based Indian cooking. These essential ingredients will form the backbone of your meals, providing both nutrition and authentic flavors. Essential plant-based ingredients are protein powerhouse, where we have our moong dals, chana dal, rajma, chickpeas, and tofu. We have wholesome grains like brown rice, quinoa, millets, and whole wheat flour. Under our fresh veggies, we have bendi, palak, methi, carrots, cauliflower, and also whatever the fruits which are available as per the seasons. And aromatic spices and healthy fats are something not to be missed. And we have turmeric, cumin, coriander, garam masala, coconut oil, sesame oil, nuts, and seeds. Let's debunk common misconception about plant-based Indian cuisine, proving it's not only delicious but also incredibly nutritious and accessible. Myth 1: No proteins. Absolute false. Dal and legumes like lentils, chickpeas, and beans are absolute source of protein, forming the core of many Indian dishes. We have myth 2: needs ghee for taste, which is not true. There are fantastic alternatives like coconut oil, sesame oil, which are vibrant species, provide all the flavors you need. Myth 3: it's expensive, which is actually not. It's super budget friendly. Staples like lentils, rice, and seasonal vegetables are economical choice. Let's kick off with breakfast, and it's my favorite protein packed moong dal chila. 15 grams of protein per every serving. Ingredients we need is 1 cup of moong dal soaked for 4 hours, 1/4 cup of mixed vegetables, spices like turmeric, cumin, salt, and fresh herb, coriander, and mint. Blend soaked moong dal with water for a smooth batter. Mix in veggies, spices, and herbs. Heat a non-stick pan. Pour batter. Spread thin. Cook until golden on both the sides and serve with fresh mint chutney. For lunch, Enjoy a nutritious and flavorful one pot quinoa vegetable biryani. It's packed with protein, fiber, and a medley of aromatic spices, making it a complete and satisfying meal. Ingredients we need are very simple. We need 1 cup of quinoa, mixed veggies, whole spices like bay leaf, cinnamon, and cardamom, fresh herbs, and saffron. Saute whole spice in coconut oil, add veggies, cook for 2 to 3 minutes, add boiled quinoa, salt, and water in the ratio 2 is to 1. Cover and cook until fluffy. Garnish with the herbs and saffron. Quinoa has all the 9 essential amino acids. Veggies add micronutrients and the spices help digestion. Amazing, right? It's a fantastic weight management recipe which you can prepare quickly. For dinner, indulge in a comforting creamy coconut dal perfectly paired with soft, freshly made whole wheat rotis. This dish is not only rich, it's wholesome and incredibly satisfying. For this, we need half cup of tur dal, half cup of moong dal, 1 cup of coconut milk, veggies of your choice, and spices like turmeric, cumin, and mustard seeds. Temper cumin and mustard seeds in oil. Add tomatoes and spinach or any veggies of your choice. Add cooked dal, mix well, pour in coconut milk and shimmer it gently. And finally, serve hot with whole wheat rotis. No Indian meal plan is complete without snacks, right? Here are the quick plant based options. These keep your energy level up between meals and they are quick, easy, and delicious plant based Indian snacks. Firstly, we have roasted chickpea chat. Toss roasted chickpeas with finely chopped onion, juicy tomatoes, aromatic spice, and squeeze a fresh lemon for a tangy and crunchy snacks. Secondly, we have almond date energy balls. Blend soft dates, crunchy almonds, and a pinch of fragrant cardamom, then roll into bite sized energy balls for a sweet and nutritious treat. Finally, we have turmeric golden milk. Shimmer your favorite plant based milk with golden turmeric, a dash of black pepper, and fresh ginger for a comforting anti inflammatory beverage. Making plant based Indian cooking a sustainable lifestyle is easy with a little meal prep. Batch cooking and smart storage are your best friends in the kitchen. Cook large batches of dal and quinoa at the start of the day and store them in airtight containers for quick assembly. Wash and chop your favorite vegetables in advance. Refrigerate them separately in a container to save time during busy weekdays. Make a batch of whole wheat roti dough, wrap it tightly and chill. This allows for a freshly made rotis in minutes. Invest in glass containers for food storage. They will help you keep your prepared ingredients fresh longer and are better for the environment. Let me quickly give you a sample prep schedule. Sunday, soak all your dals, prep vegetables. Monday, cook your grains and dals. And weekdays, fresh assembly. And that's a full day of delicious, nutritious, plant based Indian meals. You have now got a full day of delicious, nutritious, and incredibly satisfying plant based Indian meal at your fingertips. Plant based dining doesn't mean boring or lacking protein. With the right ingredients and a little preparation, every bit is a delightful experience. Give these recipes a try this week and discover a whole world of vibrant flavors that are both healthy and incredibly tasty. your kitchen adventure or awaiting you. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up. It helps more people discover healthy Indian recipes. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button so you never miss a new video. Comment in the section below which one you are most excited about and you are going to try in the list of plant-based recipes from today's video. I would love to hear about your kitchen adventure. And thank you so much for watching us. I will be back soon with one more exciting healthy wellness video.